everyone, welcome again. In last video we talked about how to open your Wells Fargo account, and today we're going to learn about how to log into Wells Fargo. For that, you need to go to any of your browser and enter the URL wellsfargo.com. Once you're directed into the website, click on the sign on option on top right corner. Or you can also directly input your information on the left side. Then you'll be directed towards the same page where you need to input your user ID and password, or if you don't have one, you can create it by clicking on Enroll. Once you're done keeping all the information, click on Sign On to view your page. That's all for today. I'll see you guys on next video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Till then, bye bye.